Hey guys, my name's Doug with Infotainment.com. Today we're in the 2015 and up Ford Mustang. This particular Mustang is equipped with the 4-inch display. It's the MyFord display. Today I want to show you guys how easy it is to use our upgrade to SiriusXM satellite radio. What you need to do is replace the CD player, or what we call the ACM. You need to install Sirius satellite radio antenna. And at the very end, you're going to flash the vehicle with the OBD Genie programmer. So this actually also does HD radio. We have versions with satellite radio and versions with HD radio with built-in satellite. In this particular case, since we're dealing with a 4-inch display, we're just going to add satellite radio. But those of you who want to upgrade to the HD radio along with satellite radio on the 8-inch display, follow the exact same procedure that we're doing now, and you'll be able to upgrade to HD radio as well. So let's get started. Okay, now we're going to install our new ACM. So we're going to plug all the same connectors we disconnected along with our new satellite radio antenna. And that's going to plug into the curry or mustard color FACRA connector. Alright, now that we have it in, we can go ahead and install the remaining parts and then screw all of our screws back in. At this point, we can reassemble the whole dash. Alright, what we're going to do now is run our FSAT OBD Genie programmer. So we're going to go ahead and start the vehicle. We're going to plug it into the OBD port. You'll notice a series of lights. What we're looking for is the solid green light. As soon as you see the solid green light, you will also know your 4-inch display will reset, letting you know the programming is completed. So what we're doing now with this programmer is we're programming the 4-inch screen, or if you have an 8-inch screen in your vehicle, it would program that for satellite radio capability. We do now have the solid green light. I just heard the radio reset, so we can remove this. We no longer need this. Alright, so now in order to access the satellite radio menu, you hit Menu, the back button, hit the up button, you'll see Sirius. Click OK. And now we are in the Sirius satellite radio menu. So you can scroll through all the channels you want. At this point, obviously you have to call Sirius satellite radio and subscribe. But as you can see, we now have factory Ford Sirius satellite radio in this vehicle. It works not only on the 4-inch screens, but also the 8-inch screens as well. Once you find the station you like, hold it and set it. That way you have easy access to all the channels you like.
It would have come as a surprise to you, I'm sure, if you're among who listened to Adrian's solo performance.
And that way you can go through your presets here of all the different channels you prefer to listen to. And in order to get back to the radio, just hit radio, AM, FM. Go back to Sirius, hit Menu, back, up, into Sirius. It's as easy as that, guys. Such an awesome upgrade for those of you who want factory Ford Sirius satellite radio in your vehicle. So not only that, but those of you who would like to also upgrade to the nice 8-inch display, the Sync 3 with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, we're about to shoot a video on how to do that. I do want to remind you guys that ACM, that comes in 2 different versions. It comes with satellite radio or satellite and HD radio. So just take a look on our website. If you do happen to have the 8-inch radio or 8-inch screen, you can get HD radio as well by getting the other version. So come check us out, guys. Infotainment.com. Thanks for watching.